Hello, welcome to another edition of Out and About with Martin. Today we're on the east coast of Yorkshire in the UK. We're going to walk from the small hamlet of Boggle Hole, renowned for a smuggler's haven, along the cliff tops to Whitby. It's a nice pleasant day today, so let's get walking. As we leave the Boggle Hole car park, walk down this track signposted to the Youth Hostel Association. You walk down the lane to Boggle Hole. Stay on your left, you'll see the Boggle Hole Youth Hostel Association. This hostel is renowned for having one of the best restaurants in any hostel in the UK. Go along the beach, just round to the right here, you'll see the big caves where all the smugglers hid their contraband. It's high tide at the moment, so there's no access to the caves unless you've got a boat, and I haven't got a boat. So we're going to turn left and we'll start walking along the Cleveland Way, along the cliff tops towards Robin Hood's Bay, and then on to Whitby. Well, so a steep climb up, lots of steps to get to the top of the cliff. Now as we come, we see this naturally formed arch of shrubs, trees. We'll walk through the archway. As you come halfway through, there's a gap here. You can walk out over to the cliffs. Over there, North Sea. Just in front of us there, we'll see Robin Hood's Bay. Whitby is beyond the headland. It's quite an easy path to follow, just follow the signs for Cleveland Way. Before you get to Robin Hood's Bay, you'll find a slight diversion where the path's been remade. This is because there's been a landslip, part of the cliff has fallen down into the sea. Now descending down the steps into Robin Hood's Bay. Look along the coast here, back towards Boggle Hole where we started. Do this walk at low tide, you can do this entire walk along the beach. Leaving Robin Hood's Bay now, we walk up what is the main street out. There's only two streets in Robin Hood's Bay and one's a little cul-de-sac. You can't get really lost, it's such a small hamlet. It is a very steep climb up out of Robin Hood's Bay. couple of cottages there, fishermen's cottages. If you want to visit Robin Hood's Bay, and it is a very popular place, gets very busy. You can't drive down into the bay itself, not even the residents are allowed to take the cars down. But there are several car parks. There's this one at the bus turning point, and there's another one further up the hill. So we walk up away from Robin Hood's Bay, past the car park, short road section before turning right back along the cliff tops. If you walk up the road, you'll come to the Grosvenor Hotel and just bear right at the Grosvenor Hotel along Mount Pleasant North. Again, it is signposted Cinder Track and Cleveland Way. Come to another sign, Cinder Track to the left, Cleveland Way straight on. We're following the Cleveland Way, go straight on through the gate, literally through the middle of somebody's front lawn. I had hoped to get a few drone shots in of the cliffs. Decided against it because there's quite a lot of seagulls flying about. The seagulls on the east coast of UK are very aggressive. In fact, the ones in Whitby and in Scarborough have got it quite sussed. They don't swim out to sea looking for fish. They wait for the tourists to come, go to the chip shop, they swoop down and pinch the fish, already cooked, already battered, straight off the trays. over to my right we have Whitby Abbey. That is where many of the Dracula stories were based. Well, we finally reached the destination here at Whitby, just overlooking the harbour. Whitby, of course, was where Captain James Cook learnt his trade, where two of his boats, the Resolution and the Endeavour, were built. I'm off now to get some well-earned fish and chips. It was a 6.5 mile walk, very tough walk, lots of steps going up, lots of steps going down, but some fantastic views over a very rugged coastline. There are two ways to get back to the start, Boggle Hole. One is, of course, you can walk all the way back, and the other is you can go to Whitby and you can get a bus down to Filingthorpe, which is about half a mile away from Boggle Hole, and then just walk over the fields to Boggle Hole. So hope you enjoy this video. We'll be doing some more videos around the Whitby and North Yorkshire area later on in the year. So I'll see you then. Bye.